In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a skill from your LinkedIn profile. Whether you're looking to update your skill set or simply tidy up your professional profile, knowing how to manage your skills is crucial. Let's walk through this step by step, making sure you're comfortable with each part of the process. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to the LinkedIn website. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so by clicking the Sign In button. Enter your details, and once you're in, you'll find yourself on the LinkedIn homepage. From here, you're just a few clicks away from updating your profile. Now, to access your profile, look at the top of your LinkedIn homepage and click on Profile. This is where you can see all your professional information, from your work experience to your educational background and, of course, your skills. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down until you find the Skills section. This section is dedicated to showcasing your professional abilities and endorsements. At this point, you may see a long list of skills. These could have been added over time, potentially resulting in a mix of frequently used skills and some that might not reflect your current expertise. To manage these, look for the specific skill you want to remove. It's as simple as pointing out what doesn't belong anymore. Once you've decided on the skill to remove, there's a small icon with 3 dots located next to each skill. This is your gateway to edit and manage. Clicking on these 3 dots will reveal a menu of options related to the skill you've selected. Among these options, you'll notice one labeled Delete Skill. Select this option, and you will be prompted to confirm your choice. This is a safeguard to ensure you don't accidentally remove something important. Confirm your decision, and just like that, the skill will be removed from your profile. Thanks to these easy steps, you've successfully cleaned up your LinkedIn profile by removing unnecessary skills. This is a great practice to keep your professional presence up to date and reflective of your current career path. A polished LinkedIn profile can make all the difference when connecting with potential employers or colleagues. So take some time to review your entire skill set and make adjustments as your career evolves. And there you have it. With a little bit of know-how, managing your LinkedIn skills can be both simple and effective. Be sure to revisit your profile regularly for any other updates or changes. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you maintain a LinkedIn profile that truly reflects who you are as a professional.